A very good day to all of you. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan KVS released the admission schedule for the session 2025-26. According to this circular, the advertisement for admission will be started from the first week of March 2025, latest by 6th of March 2025. Online registration for Balvatika 1, 3 and Class 1 will be started from 7th of March 2025 from 10 am onwards. Please note that Balvatika 1 and 3 admission will be there in selected Kendriya Vidyalayas only. Last date for online registration for Balvatika 1, 3 and Class 1 is 21st of March 2025 up to 10 pm. After this, there will be declaration of provisional list of selected and waitlisted registered candidates. The first provisional list will be displayed on 25th March 2025 for Class 1 and 26th of March 2025 for Balvatika. Admission of eligible and selected candidates as per the above list in the following order. RTE from Service Priority Category 1 and 2 only. Shortfall of reservation quota after admission in RTE and Service Priority Category 1 and 2. If seats remain vacant, the second provisional list will be displayed on 2nd of April 2025. If seats still remain vacant, third provisional list will be displayed on 7th of April 2025. Extended date for the second notification for the offline registration for admission to be made under RTE provision, SC, ST and OBC NCL. If sufficient applications were not received in the online mode, this notification will be there on 7th of April 2025 and registration will be there from 8th of April to 14th of April 2025. The list will be displayed on 23rd of April and 28th of April 2025. Please note that this extended date is applicable only and only if sufficient applications were not received in the online mode for Balvatika 1, 3 and Class 1. For classes other than Balvatika 1, 3 and Class 1, registration will be there in offline mode for Balvatika 2 and Class 2 onwards except Class 11. It will be subjected to the availability of the vacancies in a particular class. This will take place from 2nd of April to 11th of April 2025. The first provisional list for the admission in Balvatika 2 and Class 2 onwards will be displayed on 17th of April 2025 and admission will take place from 18th of April to 21st April 2025. Last date for admission for all the classes except Class 11th will be 30th of June 2025. Last date of admission for all the classes if seats remain vacant after 30th June with special power of Deputy Commissioner to allow the admissions up to the prescribed strength, that is 40 as per priorities in admissions. The date will be 31st of July 2025. Now we will see the schedule for the admission in Class 11th. For KV students, registration for admission in Class 11th will be there within the 10 days after the declaration of Class 10th result. The admission list will be displayed and admissions for Class 11th will be there for KV students within 20 days after the declaration of Class 10th result. For non-KV students, registration, display of admission list and admission in Class 11th will be there, but it will be subjected to the availabilities of the vacancies. It will be done after the admission of KV students in Class 11th, and the last date for the admission for Class 11th will be 30 days from the date of declaration of class 10th result by CBSE. Please note that the list of children registered, list of eligible children, category-wise list of provisionally selected children, waiting list and subsequent list to be compulsorily displayed on the website or social media handles like Facebook of the Vidyalayas concerned in addition to the display on the school notice board. With this admission schedule, KVS also released the admission guidelines. We will understand the same in our next video. That's all from this video. Thank you very much.